If you hang around my channel for, I would say, even like a minimum of a year or so, you may begin to realize that I just don't straighten my hair, which is something that I feel that at least most naturals at least straighten their hair like annually, right? And so one of you guys asked me out of curiosity why I don't straighten my hair. It's not because they wanted me to straighten my hair, but just because they were just wondering if I had any particular reasons or anything that was worth a video as to why I don't straighten my hair. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I help frustrated naturals simplify their routine so they can do less and get more results. Speaking of that, I am a very much do less person when it comes to straightening my hair, as well, as you will see in why I don't straighten my hair. But the first reason behind why I have not straightened my hair in over a decade, I want to make that clear as well. The last time I straightened my hair was somewhere in 2011. It was either 2010 or 2011, so you can do the math. It's been over a decade since I straightened my hair. One reason is, like, I feel like my mind has changed, my perception has changed being natural so long, and I now have begun to associate volume or how big someone's hair is with having hair. And so whenever my hair has been in states that are more slick and more smooth, or like braided down or whatever, so not even straight, I feel bald. I feel like I have no hair. It's just this instant feeling where I'm just like, where the hair at? And like mentally it doesn't, like physically it doesn't really make sense, because I have hair, like, you know, those styles, often the styles that kind of smooth my hair down a bit, they do have length to them. But like in my mind, the length is irrelevant, and it's all about like how far your hair extends off of your head, and that is a sign of having hair. I can't really explain it. I'm trying my best to explain it, but that is one reason why I don't straighten my hair, is just because I'm just not into the look and it feels like baldness. Another reason I don't straighten my hair is because I have other hairstyles that kind of scratch that itch for smoothness. Sometimes you do want really smooth hair, or that press and curl Sunday church look. And I'm able to get that look with other hairstyles. So curl formers, wave curlers, they both give me a press and then curl look. For sure, very much smooth my hair down. Bantu knot outs also really get the roots really straight. And then sometimes if I want like more of a water wave type look, my braid outs also give that kind of look. So I have hairstyles in my arsenal that will still give me that smoothness without me needing to actually straighten my hair. We're gonna have a real moment of like transparency right now, okay? As far as straightening my hair, I'm just freaking bad at it, y'all. I am so okay. So I have tried my hand at straightening my hair back in the college days. I was transitioning, so the hair was mostly relaxed at that too, right? And I couldn't even get relaxed hair straight. Like, first of all, I think I lose it at the blow dry. I think I just don't have really good blow dry technique to get my hair really smooth and straight in the blow dry step. I feel like if you don't blow dry the hair right, when you flat iron, it's not gonna look good either. You know what I mean? So like I tried to do that, but the blow dry would be too puffy, and I just couldn't figure out how to get that really smooth. And then the flat iron hair would just be not as smooth as I know that my hair can get. I'm someone who grew up getting my hair done in the salon, so I am used to, one person when I was in school said my hair looked like Barbie doll hair. I'm used to hair that looks plasticky, shiny, fake, but it's my real hair. That's how straight my hair can get. A hairstylist has told me my hair takes heat very well. So I can have extremely straight, shiny, silky, with movement hair. I know that's possible, but when I straighten it, it's not. It doesn't have movement. It still has volume at the roots. Like, it's puffy. It's just like, or it's like too light to the point where you just know it just would not last. Like, I just cannot get my hair salon quality straight to the point where I would want to wear it out in public on my own. I just cannot do it, guys. I am terrible at straightening my hair. And see, this is the one thing that I wish that the straightener companies that are in my inbox would realize. You don't see any straight hair on my channel. You don't see me straighten my hair. That's one reason I wouldn't contact me. But another reason to not contact me is that I'm gonna make your straightener look bad. Because I am not good at straightening my hair. It looks terrible when I straighten my hair. Also, I think it's kind of a feeling of just wanting something new. I've had straight hair for a really long time, y'all. So early elementary school, I was like a natural with the plaits and the you know, whatever, like, you know, those kind of hairstyles. But towards the end of elementary school, late elementary school, my mom started maintaining my hair as a pressed natural hair. So I became a pressed natural. I started going to the hair salon very early, and my hairstylist would press my hair out. And then I got a relaxer going into 6th grade, and again continued to wear my hair straight from there. And then I didn't really start doing like braid outs and bantu night outs and stuff like that on my hair until I got to like college. So you can do the math of the years or whatever. I wore my hair straight for many years, and I'm talking poker straight. No curls, no bump, no wave. I'm talking I actually had razored ends. My hairstylist liked that she could do all the techniques that most black people are not gonna let you do on their hair. She was excited that she could do these techniques that she learned in beauty school on my hair. And so I had silky, straight, razored ends, no bump, nothing. Like that's how I liked to wear my hair. So I wore my hair like that for years and years. And so now as a natural, I'm getting to wear my hair in a different way. I've had straight hair. It's not novel or fascinating to me because starting from a young girl, I had straight hair. And then something I think that we don't talk enough about when it comes to hair care and in these natural hair streets, climate is everything. Climate is so important as to where someone lives. Y'all, I would have to, there's a very narrow window in which I could actually straighten my hair and it might stay straight and not react to humidity. Or I would have to get really acquainted with the products that would help me to fight humidity on a regular basis. I know that my hairstylist used to like to use Paul Mitchell Super Skinny. Don't know enough about the product to be like, yes, use it or not, but maybe I'd have to douse my hair in that or something. But I live in Central Florida. It's very humid where I live, and I don't live in Orlando, guys. Orlando is drivable. We eat there all the time, but I live closer to the water. Okay, Orlando's very landlocked. I live closer to the water. There is water in the county that I live in, and so it is much more humid. And then my family is based in South Alabama, and it's very humid there too. And then before us living here, we lived in Panama City, Florida. So it's been a lot of like, oh, and before that, we lived in Delaware. And if you've never been to Delaware in the summertime, don't do it, child. Don't do it. So I've just lived really humid places ever since I left college. I've lived in humid places and always visiting humid places where my straight hair probably would not last. And then so I'm doing all this effort and work for crappy hair that doesn't look good because I'm unskilled, and then it doesn't last because of where I live. So all these factors together have just really prevented me from straightening my hair. Now, I'm not saying that I would never straighten my hair. I'm not saying that. So if you see me up on here straightening my hair a week from now, though I don't currently have plans to do so, that's fine. I literally, the reasons I don't straighten my hair have nothing to do with like heat damage or fear of any of that. I feel like all these reasons are pretty silly, but they're probably entertaining for a lot of you guys. And speaking of entertainment, I also don't deep condition my hair. Go check that out. Yes, period. I don't. And also, I don't use oils or butters, raw oils or butters on my hair. So that might be fascinating for some of you guys as well. So go check that video out. Listen, stop searching for me every week and subscribe or become a member and I'll be right on your subscriptions page every week.